everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about a Dyson hair dryer just like this that is not blowing hot air. I'll be going over some easy fixes in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into the video. This is the Dyson hair dryer. I think, if I remember correctly, it's called like the Dyson Supersonic maybe, and I could be wrong about that, but I think it's called the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Don't quote me on that, but I'm going to say it anyways, okay? Now, if you have the Dyson hair dryer like this, and it is not blowing hot air, these are 4 easy fixes in this simple tutorial to hopefully help you out. Let's get into this. Number 1, I'm going to go through these quickly, so pay attention and try them out. Number 1, press the cold air blast button a few times firmly. So on your Dyson hair dryer, there's a cold air button right here. This is a button. When you press this and when you hold it down, it's going to blow cold air. So this might be stuck. Maybe there's like a sticky substance here, something you were putting on your hair, whatever the case is. Just press it down a few times firmly and see if that allows the hot air light to illuminate. Because if your hot air is not illuminated, then it's not blowing hot air. You want to press it down a few times firmly, hold it down, kind of maneuver it around to hopefully loosen it up if it's potentially stuck down, okay? If that doesn't help you out, move on to step or fix number 2. Step number 2, fix number 2, solution number 2, whatever you want to call it, which is to press the heat level button a few times and look for the lights or illumination changing. So as you can see right here, this is the heat level button, and there's some LEDs over here that you can't see. I don't have a plug in my vehicle, unfortunately, so I can't plug it in, but these lights will illuminate depending on how much heat it is going to output. You want to press it a few times, and this is less tactile than this. This is more of a tactile button. This is like more of a cushiony button. So you want to press it a few times and see if the heat level is changing. If the heat level is changing, then you know that at least the button's working properly, and it's more of an internal problem, okay? If that doesn't help you out and it doesn't fix it at that point, move on to step number 3, which is to clean the air filter or the dust filter. So right over here, it's really easy to do. You just got to simply twist it to remove it like that, and then you can clean it like that. I'm bald, in case you don't watch my videos. In case you haven't seen my other videos, I'm bald. So this isn't my hair dryer, and I rarely have a beard. So it's not my hair dryer. It's my wife's hair dryer. I got it from my wife as a gift. So as you can see, it's a little bit dusty. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean it when I get home before I go and put it back in our ensuite bathroom. But essentially, you want to clean that dust filter. It's rare that it being dusty will cause it to not blow hot air, but it might, because it's going to suffocate the unit, and therefore it's going to prevent it from doing what it needs to do. So clean it out. It's a really easy, hopefully it's an easy fix for you. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix or solution number 4, which is to unplug it and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now, if the unit is overheating, it can react in a glitchy sort of error type of way. And that might mean that it is not going to blow hot air. So unplug it for 15 minutes, let it sit, let it cool down, plug it back in and see if that fixes it. And that's basically it. If your Dyson hair dryer, like this right here, I think it's a Supersonic, is not blowing hot air, these are some easy fixes in a simplistic tutorial. Hopefully they can help you out. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure, let's try that again. If you like this video tutorial / demonstration / explanation / story time / whatever you want to call this kind of video, filled with solutions, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.